Welcome to our video about what it is really like hiking the Inca Trail, the legendary Inca Trail to Machu Picchu. Hiking Inca Trail is a wonderful journey that combines the stunning natural scenery, the profound echoes of ancient history, and the sense of personal achievement. Adventurers are engulfed by the magnificence of the Andean mountains, lush green valleys, and mist-shrouded ruins as they go along the twisting trail, which reveals the mysterious history of the Inca civilization. This journey goes beyond physical effort and transforms into a journey across time and space, where each stride forward is a tribute to one's tenacity and perseverance. The Inca Trail captures the spirit of discovery and provides a life-changing adventure that lasts long after the trip is over. Welcome back to Tripocity, where we dive into your favorite trip destinations and give you amazing content as we embark on a journey on your virtual trip. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell here at Tripocity for more exciting travel content. Section 1. Preparing for the adventure. Thorough preparation is required for a successful trek along the Inca Trail, including careful research and thoughtful planning. To protect the integrity of the path, this requires obtaining necessary permits in advance. Putting together the right equipment is also important. Durable hiking boots are essential for navigating rocky terrain, and rain gear ensures readiness for erratic weather. Considering the climate of the Andes, carrying thick gear will assure comfort during cold nights. Finally, planning includes adjusting to the altitude to decrease altitude sickness, enabling a safer and more pleasurable journey through the breathtaking landscapes and historical monuments of the Inca Trail. Number 2. Start of the trek. At kilometer 82, travelers can start their Inca Trail trip. From there, a captivating odyssey through the sacred valley of the Incas unfolds. As they travel through terraced fields that create a beautiful scene against a backdrop of high peaks, hikers on this path are treated to a feast of breathtaking natural beauty. The trail offers spectacular natural beauty along the way, but it also gives travelers a brief look into the colorful tapestry of native Peruvian life by visiting indigenous villages, which provides richness to the expedition's cultural experience. The combination of breathtaking scenery and cultural exposure creates a wonderful narrative that enhances the unforgettable experience of trekking the Inca Trail. Section 3. Dead Woman's Pass, the Challenge. One of the most demanding sections is Dead Woman's Pass, also known as Warmi Wanyuska, at approximately 4,200 meters above sea level. This part represents a challenging test of both physical stamina and mental fortitude, with a deep desire to overcome the challenging climb. However, each stride hiker takes up this difficult hike is a testament to their unwavering spirit. At the top of the pass, where the overpowering sense of achievement rushes over like a wave, this culminates in an amazing moment of triumph that will live in the mind as a personal win over the tough elements. Section 4. The Scenic Beauty. The Andean vistas along the Inca Trail reveal a captivating tapestry with breathtaking features like majestic snow-capped peaks, luxuriant woods, and lush cloud forests that shroud the trail in mystery. Adventurers can witness nature's magnificence in all its beauty as they travel this enthralling journey. Travelers will be amazed throughout the route as they pause to take in the breathtaking vistas that unroll before them, where the mountains and the atmosphere are filled with tranquility. These mind-blowing sights serve as a reminder of the size of the natural world, leaving a lasting impact on everyone who travels this extraordinary road. Fellow trip lovers, before we proceed, let us know in the comments what your favorite thing about hiking Inca Trail so far is. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Tripocity for more breathtaking content on your favorite travel destination. Now back to regular programming. Section 5. Ancient Inca Ruins. As explorers come across the historic Inca archaeological sites that bring history to life, starting out on the Inca Trail is more than just a physical trek across the world. These locations include Runcuracay and Sayacmarca, where stone buildings and mysterious ruins reflect the past. Sayacmarca's layout conjures up a feeling of urban planning and architectural prowess, while Runcuracay's commanding presence and advantageous location shed light on Inca military tactics. History comes to life when hikers explore these ruins of a bygone era, and the Inca people's story is vividly imprinted onto the landscape. These locations serve as windows of a forgotten era, arousing interest and enabling modern adventurers to connect with the past by following in the footsteps of those who came before. Section 6. Wiñay Wayna, a taste of Machu Picchu. Reaching the stunning ruins of Wiñay Wayna, an awe-inspiring sight before you reach Machu Picchu, is the journey's magnificent conclusion. The view from this location is breathtaking, and the impressive terraces that adorn it fall down the mountainside in a stunning demonstration of Inca building mastery. A tangible sense of amazement and expectation surrounds trekkers as they stand among these historic stone buildings, giving them a tantalizing preview of the magnificence that awaits them at Machu Picchu. With Wiñay Wayna's natural beauty and historical significance, the journey builds up wonder and anticipation as travelers get ready to embrace the Inca Trail hike to Machu Picchu, the world's most famous architectural marvel. Section 7. The final steps to Machu Picchu. When hikers reach the Inti Punku, or Sun Gate, at sunrise, the 4-day Inca Trail trek comes to an end with a moment of unmatched magic. Here, a stunning scene opens out in front of them, giving them their very first look at Machu Picchu. The sight is nothing short of mesmerizing as the rising sun illuminates the historic citadel, rewarding days of work and expectation. Adventurers then descend into the heart of the UNESCO World Heritage Site that defies description, the lost city of the Incas, after this breathtaking introduction. Visitors will explore the historical legacy and significance of this amazing location as they dive through the intricate architecture, landscapes, and enigmatic constructions, which are a tribute to the wonders of a civilization that once flourished with the magnificence of the Andes. Machu Picchu Hike Inca Trail is a life-changing experience that combines physical effort with cultural immersion and leaves a lasting impression on travelers. It tests their limitations while they navigate the difficult terrain and climb the ancient stone stairs, and they also develop a strong bond with the trail's historical past. Through the flawless integration of challenge, culture, and history, this expedition creates an encounter that forever changes one's viewpoint on our planet. This unforgettable expedition offers an experience that radically changes a person's perspective on the world by deftly fusing elements that are seamlessly combined to challenge participants' abilities while also exposing them to various cultural nuances and rich historical settings. This one-of-a-kind experience therefore makes a lasting impression and fosters a fresh appreciation for the Earth's rich tapestry of cultural and natural beauties. In conclusion, the expedition's seamless integration reveals how people and the Earth are sparking a long-lasting change in perspective. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you enjoyed what it is really like hiking the Inca Trail. We're looking forward to your Inca Trail to Machu Picchu. Share your own Inca journey with us in the comments below, If you truly appreciate the content we gave you, do give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for your favorite travel destinations only here at Tripocity. Thank you so much for watching, fellow trip lovers, and until next time, happy hiking!